There is no comparison between yoga and gym because yoga is our ancient technology to get us fit.
It is the major reason of changing this nature, and we have to accept the
In
evolving.
Bhagavad Gita, Adhyaya 6, in life a person should do Yam, Niyam, Pratyahar.
Many people are know about the Mahabharata. There are lot of the people who don't know, like the Gen Z, they don't know.
Join the gym just because they are just making the reels and they just post their reels.
What's
on
wrong
their
with that? And the main thing is that if you do the yoga, then there is a high risk that if you do it wrong.
How are you? Good. I think there is no Joes. You said good morning, I think. Really? You are excited?
Yes, sir. Excited.
Oh, I think you are speaking better than me.
Yes, sir.
Really. So, my dear, today we will not waste the time, and it is a topic gym versus yoga. And today we are going to play fighting game. Why I kept this name fighting? Because in a debate, no one wants to be polite. And like this danda, lathi, it is a fighting by the mouth. So today really you will enjoy. Please watch full video, watch complete video, and you can see my students. Indrajit, show the student both sides. You can see one team and you can see second team. And now Indrajit, focus. And today we are going to discuss what is the topic, Akas?
Yoga.
Rahul?
Yoga.
Really you think yoga is better?
Yes,
Better.
Give me some proof.
Yoga is the father of gym, sir.
Okay, Akas said yoga is a father of gym. You have any good point?
He said to like gym versus better than that. We can say also it's father of the like yoga. And that time we can ability.
I think you meant to say grandfather. Gym is a grandfather of the yoga.
It's so that.
Okay, now you can. What are they excited? How they are excited today? Because someone is saying it is a father of. And someone is saying it is a grandfather. Someone is saying it is a husband, it is a wife. But today you will enjoy. I'm very excited today because this debate I'm waiting. And long time we did not play a debate. Please enjoy. So let's start.
I'm here to support yoga. Firstly, I want to say that there is no comparison between yoga and gym because yoga is our ancient technology to get us fit. And I think yoga is far better than gym because there are many stretches, there are many pranayams we can do. We can do in yoga.
See, sir, firstly we have to understand the law of nature. It is a law of nature that we have to accept the change. Change is the major reason of changing this nature, and we have to accept the evolving world because gym, it is basically the changing world, and we are here to enjoy all this modernization basically, and we have to introduce some techniques, some technologies in our life.
Exactly, you are saying that you are supreme from Bhagavan Krishna. Bhagavan Krishna said himself in Bhagavad Gita, Adhyaya 6, in life a person should do Yam, Niyam, Pratyahar and Pranayam comes under the yoga. So how can you dare to say against about it? Yoga is the foundation of Bharat. Yoga was born in Bharat, and it is the one of the cheapest thing which people.
We are not demotivating the yoga. We are not saying yes, yoga is nothing. We say we have to develop ourselves. We have to update ourselves because how many people are know about the Mahabharata? There are lot of the people who don't know, like the Gen Z. They don't know. They know about the whatever
sir,
they see,
do
they
you
just
know?
come towards that. So we are just improving that thing. We are just
Sir,
developing.
listen to me. Here are now this time mostly people are here. They just join the gym just because they are just making the reels and they just post their reels on their social media account. So that is the reason now every people.
What's
just
wrong with that?
running behind
If
the
you have
gym.
body to show, so even if I have body to show, then I can show it on the reels. What's wrong with that? And the main thing is that if you do the yoga, then there is a high risk that if you do it wrong, then you can become a person who can have a disability. So it's a very wrong thing. And
at that time we will see so many times the joint pain is increasing day by day from the gym. We are see so many times like joint pain, back pain is from the gym, and we the yoga is always cheap. You will learn one time, and second.
Okay, sir. Listen to me first. As you mentioned, in the gym you face the many kind of problems, many kind of diseases. In the yoga sector, if you don't do that in a bad way, so also face the injury kind of, because in that time you do that any kind of work in the stretching kind of thing. Definitely face the many kind of problem. As we mentioned in the gym, if a gym there, it's one kind of ability for everybody. You can gym is soap, then that because it's one kind of the soap that culture we need to in that.
So
soap.
as you know, as
as you know, while we are doing yoga, so we have knowledge to how to do yoga. So we have it. It doesn't mean if you don't know yoga, so you will not able to do. If we have knowledge, so we can do yoga. In gym, we face lots of problem like to the heavy weight we can do, and it can get stretch our body
so
also.
if you have a knowledge about the yoga, then you can do a yoga. Like if you have a gym, like if we can go about the gym, so there have a mentor, we can do lot of work about the mentor. If you can say yoga is yoga is nothing, because by the yoga we can do nothing kind of thing.
Wait. You are saying that gym also has a mentor which teaches you how to do gym. Okay, without mentor, if you do gym in wrong position, so you can also face the problems like disc problem, and so also facing back pain problem, and also you can also face joint problem. But yoga you can do at home.
Okay, sir, you say
yourself.
about the yoga
You don't
is
need
good.
any teacher.
Yes, sir. I say something. When we go in the gym, so that time also trainer also here to see you, and they support you. When you do any gym, any type of gym, so they also support you. But in the yoga, you doing a yoga in your home, so that time you also broke your body also.
Ma'am, tell me one thing. When any person undergo a surgery, a heavy surgery, in recovery period, what doctor suggest them to do yoga or to do gym? To do yoga, because yoga have many things in that for recovery, and we all know.
Sir, firstly we have to understand that it is a traditional method of being healthy, right? And we are living in 21st century. That's why we have to update. We have to initiate some technologies in our life. And first, you don't know about what kind of attributes we needed for doing yoga. You should be flexible. Firstly, you should have proper body structure to do any kind of yoga. And I have remained 3 times yoga winner, contest winner in Kolkata as well.
A senior citizen can perform the gym. A child can perform the gym. No, they are unable to perform the gym because their body won't allow to do gym. And for about you were saying that you don't know about history, so it's your fault. It's not our fault. If you have taken the birth in Bharat, then you don't know about your own history. Then
so
shame
that
on
is
you.
your fault. You don't know about the gym. What is the quality we are getting in a gym? As well as you are talking about the reels, there are a lot of the people who go in a gym for making the video. So there are a lot of the people who are just doing the yoga, and they are just promoting the yoga by the help of the reels. And
Wait
the
a
same
minute,
thing
wait a
that
minute,
people
wait
are
a
doing
minute.
in a gym.
Wait a minute,
and
bro.
I just want to add something also.
Wait. I want to close your topic because you just know that gym is for gaining weight. You don't know about the disadvantages of the gym. Gym stiffs your body. Okay, so. Instead of yoga gives the flexibility to your body. You should first of all
just tell me one thing, why we need the flexibility? We don't need flexibility, we need muscles, we need the body, because now the trend is going on. See, we need to follow that trend. We don't want to be a Ramdev, we want to be a Salman Khan, because we like that.
Listen me first, why we people are going to gym and why we take the supplements, why we take the asteroids, because of the body. In that time we will do a yoga, so it's good for health. And the yoga have so many exercise, like
if somebody take the supplement, if somebody take the medicine, I already said it's totally bad for that time. If somebody do the exercise with the natural, that is a rate. In that time, some person said to that, if you take the yoga, you take the classes, and if you gym, you also take the teacher kind of thing. In the yoga sector,
Sir, listen to me. I want to say a thing. Through gym, the youth of India are going in a wrong direction. They are taking anabolic steroids. They are taking fake supplements that harm them. They are destroying themselves. That types of things are
the same thing is also happening with the yoga. You know about the fake gurus? They are promoting their own fake product which is named as Ayurveda. And the thing is that in the yoga what happened? You are doing the exercise at the same place, at the same position, but in the exercise you walk and you run. And that's the main
Well, I would like to let you know one thing. As you want to be Salman Khan, so there is a Lawrence Bishnoi for every Salman Khan. And one more thing is that is there a day where gym day is celebrated, but there is a 21 June which is celebrated just because of yoga, and yoga is celebrated in the entire world, but gym is not celebrated. So we are
do you know why we supported a gym? Because we want to be an actor and actress. We didn't want to be a something like there are those people. You all are people like liking.
You have no mind, ma'am. Listen me first. In previous time, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Hanumanji, they will doing a yoga. In previous time, they will doing a yoga, and they will height at 7 feet, 8 feet. They are live around 100 years.
Listen, sir, please listen. You have a mind, so you use also. also your mind. When we go in the gym, so that time we also open our business also. By the business we learn the more things and we achieve the more money also. And by the this
Ma'am, just tell me how can I use my mind? Just tell me the first thing. And you are talking about the exercise. So don't you think about Shilpa Shetty? She also doing the yoga. She has a good body. She has a good flexibility. And the supplement, those people who are the part of gym, they got heart attack just because of their supplement. They just those
Okay.
powder
So
they are
now
getting.
you can listen one thing. Now you are just comparing yourself to the god. Like you said, the Hanumanji did the yoga. So now you are just comparing. Yes, they whatever they did, we can also did it. So really, you are the dumb who are just following the same thing. Because we are not.
Well,
we cannot
please,
be a
please,
god.
guys.
We are the human who
Please, can you anybody can get me the earbuds because my ears are paining while listening them, because they are the one who are saying pathetic stuffs. Don't know the value of the yoga. Yoga has been found in Bharat, and which is so well for the people who can't afford the gym. They are the one who
yes,
can do
see,
the yoga.
Firstly, you have to understand we are living in a present scenario and we are consuming lots of fertilizers. We are not eating organic foods, and that's why we have to update ourselves. And you all are talking about the traditional kind of things. See, we are not living in a traditional era. We are living in modern era, and we have to modernize.
But you are taking urea on daily basis, bro. Listen carefully. Most of the gym boys facing cancer problems.
Okay,
and
just
lung
tell me
problems
one thing
in
is
their
that
body.
time as
And
you sitting
after-
here,
wait,
what kind of knowledge you write in the yoga sector?
wait,
Listen
bro,
to one thing.
wait. Let me complete the first. Gym boys also facing the obesity problem after leaving the gym, after quitting the gym. So that's a major problem of the gym boys. And yoga, if you do continue yoga, then you will not face that type
Okay,
of
since that
problem.
night continue as you all are sitting here, as how much knowledge in the yoga sector, in the, as a son mentioned, in the, like goddess kind of person. Have you seen the Chhatrapati Shivaji? Have you seen the Hanumanji? In that time, don't see that, don't use it too much in your mind. In that time, how much person know about the yoga? How much person know about the Surya Namaskar? In that time, if you do the very bad activity, definitely you face the many kind of problem in your body. In that time, I know what is quality.
So
I know
we are doing yoga. We
listen
have
properly,
knowledge
ma'am.
how to do.
After that,
We
that is
have
the reason
knowledge
behind
how
it.
to
We
do
cannot.
yoga. So we have. Okay, so you keep your mouth shut. You don't know anything. And while people are doing gym, they are just don't following their diet. They are eating their junk foods. They are using their waste of money. And
The same thing can be said for the yoga people. You know, the sir said that if you leave the gym, then your body become loose. The same thing can be also happen with the yoga people.